All right. Okay. I guess we are live. Just reload chat. Okay. Last time, yeah. Uh, Last time I did add a couple of to-dos. Yeah, so adding parse expression statements and objects. Mm-hmm. This on the right is the interpreter book. Mm-hmm. Now I'm thinking I should have finished the interpreter. No. Don't need to go that far. I only need a couple of things. I just want to know what is an object in here, and then I can represent it. It's got type and inspect. I guess it's the literal. Literal. It's not the easiest word to say. Okay, and then you have an integer type. Oh, I forgot to update the titles. Hopefully I don't leak anything. So far, so good. Might need to go back to the interpreter. Let's go with parsing. Might be too complicated, well, too confusing otherwise. Okay, that'll do. Yeah, I guess if I need to follow the book, I will have to go back and add. How many types are there? Oh, there's actually not a lot. I don't need the evaluator, so that's good. But I do need integers, and I want to add expression statement somewhere here. Okay, that's okay. Might as well just get it done. Because it will make things easier down the line. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll add expression statements. Move this down for now. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Where does it define expression statement? If I understand correctly. Stay. Let me look at statement. That statement, return statement, block statement. Should be actually very similar to this one. Or maybe not. Expression statement will be a struct. They won't have any tokens. This will just be statements. Or it is a single statement. It's not a slice of statements. It does have value, which is an expression. Let me check the book. Where does it define? TAST, yeah. Okay. Also, whatever is the first. Hmm. And we'll have token literal. Then we need the allocator. Returns a string. return empty standard alloc print the token, and then guess I don't need to do this. I could just print expression self dot expression dot token literal of allocator. Yeah. And then need to register this as a statement. Expression statement. Right. Now, guess I'll write a test for it. I think I could reuse one of these. Yeah, this will do. Expression statements. I don't need this either. Oh. Or that. Okay. There's no expected name. There's left and right. I go here. Guess that makes sense. Where do I check the value? Yeah. What should this be equal to? Statement dot expression statement dot token literal. This will be statement dot not statement. Tests of I dot expected value. I guess some of that text is now visible. Increase the opacity. Is it darker? Is it even doing anything? Ghosty apply config. Splitting, no. Reading configuration. Control Shift, comma. Okay, there we go. That should be much more readable. I don't like it. It's too dark. That's better. Okay, now that that's out of the way. There is no let statement. This is expression statement. Yep. Okay. So this should now fail. Sig test source slash parser. Struct declared here. Okay, there is no value. Expression. .mfix. Perfect. As expected, fails. Program. Parse Parse program. Yes, yeah. Token let return. Else, should it just parse? I think this would be my guess. Expression statement. Need the parser add st dot don't know how function declarations. Oh, you use let. Okay, that makes sense. Basically, it needs to be the right side of the let statement. Don't need the identifier. Sign. Yeah. Okay. Token will be the current token. Then expression will be, yeah. Just need these two statements. Yeah. Or expression statement type ast dot expression state. Oh, I can just do equals. Then dot token is self dot current token, and then expression is undefined. Expression statement dot expression return expression statement. And then now here I should just try and parse expression statement. I know, because I need to return statement. Dot parse expression. Yep, and then return ast dot statement dot expression statement is statement. Ooh, that is a lot more errors than I thought that'd be. Okay, let's have a look. Unexpected prefix. Let me check my test again. Test expression. Yeah. So when you encounter 5, actually, would it have precedence? 5? No, it doesn't. Parse expression. This would be precedence dot lowest small l. Okay, I should fix some of the errors. I don't think it did. Okay. Which test is this? No prefix parse function found for let statement parser. That doesn't make sense. Because if the token type is a let, it would parse. That's kind of wild. Interesting. Parser dot let statement parser. Okay, unexpected prefix. Unexpected prefix. This is in parse expression. I can remove that now. Prefix parse function. Yes. Because I guess I need to add one for integer. Okay, that makes sense. expression statement. Do I need one for both? No. Okay. Oh no, there is one for integer. Yeah. That's weird. Let me have a look at the expression that closed the other. Past program. Parser.test to return statement parser. Why would it call return statement parser? Parse return. What am I missing? Let me read. Zig. Switch. This is not switch. Yeah. Okay. Branches cannot fall through. Bind cases and use an if. Pass statement. Current token dot token type. So for return, it would be return. Guess it can no longer be null. Can this, just curious. Oh, that could work too. Yeah, that's cool. I'm thinking, should I be specific as to like if it's an int, but it could be minus something something too. And it could be a function call. Why, oh why? Yep, I guess that's no longer necessary. Statement. $262. Yeah, but the editors are older. This is a let statement. Why is it calling parse expression statement? That is interesting. Well, let me read the switch, see if I missed anything. Switch can be used to capture tagged union. It's not a tagged union. The return type is, but hang on, what is the type again? Have a look at token. It's an enum. Switch on tagged union. Switching on more complex enums is allowed. Not necessary, I'm guessing. Because I can return from within. No, I think this is fine. Maybe. I don't know what am I missing? Debug and string the current token. Not sure if that'll print it. Do any? Token type is hang on, let me print token before parsing. I think I'm off by one in few places. Token type return, token type semicolon. Let me check. Return. Yep. Identifiers. So the default is, it is correct. It is parse expression statement. Oh, fuck. Is that it? No. Now I'm thinking, do I need to check if, do I need to go over semicolon on, let's have a look at parse return. Identifiers. No. Booleans if, hang on. No, this is Commenting the parser. Parse statement. Let's return boolean if call group function call expressions. Oh, maybe I can find it here. Okay, assign. So I think for both return and let, I need to ensure. Yep. That's why. That makes sense. Where's parse if statement? No, parse let. Here. Assign 18. Yeah, here. If self dot geek token is dot token type dot semicolon, might be small c. Yep. Self dot next token. I need to do the same for return. And parse expression. Okay. Debug print. Okay. I mean, there was some value in going back. At least I fixed problem that I didn't know existed. All right. Okay. So that's expression done. All I need to do is create objects. Yes, this should be pretty easy. It's just a wrapper. Kind of feels like double work because we know it's an integer, turn it to a string, and then we turn it to an object. Not sure if we need object type. Do we use it? We need an object interface. What is the object? Okay, so we just need both these methods. Simple enough. Have an integer with value. And I guess type would return yep. Yeah. Okay, is that we have null? Yep, I remember this. The $1 billion mistake. Okay, guess so all I need is integers, booleans, and null. Sounds easy enough. Okay, so I need object.sig. To the top. I think it'll be kinda like AST. So in the AST I used tagged unions. Guess I could do the same. Object is going to be union. Type enum. Then, well, to do. Then we need, oh, we don't need to export that. Const. What is this going to be? Integer. Going to be a struct. What does it have? Just value? Yep. A value which will be 64. And it needs to have two methods. Function type which is integer, then returns slice of const u8. Okay. Call it type. Tip. Return. I need some constants. const int is integer. A string? No strings. Bool. Boolean. And then null. Return int. Then needs object something. What was the other type it needed? Where's the interface? All right, so inspect take self integer, also return a string. I guess it would just return the value. Can I standard thing? It's formatter. Does any of them return slice of const? Actually, none of them will return. Oh, they can actually. Char to digit. Is that a digit to 0 to 100 to base 10 string? Escape upper format. Format int value base. No. Don't need to format text. I was hoping I don't need to use the allocator, but I mean, if I use a buffer, might as well use the allocator. Alrighty. Allocator. Meme. Standard dot mem. Turn d dot alloc rent. Is that it? Yeah. Allocator formatter arts. Need does it have D for digit like in Go? Sig format specifiers. B. Oh yeah, D. Decimal formatting for numeric types. And then self dot value. Okay. So now I can have int integer, which is an integer. And then function type takes self, which is an object, and returns slice of const u8. And what I need to do is return, no, switch I always forget. Tagged union. Complex tag, complex type. Maybe I can just search for impl. Where did I even find it? Statement, and I need the allocated as well. Okay. I guess enough for type. Switch self. Then okay. Inline else. Current implementation. Okay. Return full dot type of allo no allocator self. Is that it? I don't even need self. And I can do the same for, you know what, it's worth typing again. What's it called? Inspect. Takes self, which is an object, and then an allocator. Dot and switch self. The inline else just makes it easier, so I don't have to go through each type, like thing integer and then boolean. So they all have the same method names. If they had different method names, I would use the type. That makes sense. Return impl dot inspect. It takes the allocator. Okay, that's it. So all I need now, oops. Okay, I need boolean value is bool. Type is bool. What about booleans? Format specifier. Hex is hex. Yep. Decimal. Format byte. Number. This list is non-exhaustive. Format specifiers. Boolean sig. Never know where to look this up. Let me ask GPT. What's the format specifier for printing Boolean in SIG? Oh, it's nothing. Perfect. Inspect and type. Okay. The last one is null. Value is going to be null. That doesn't sound good. You must have used null. Okay. It's just nothing. It's no value. Null. And then inspect returns the string. Is that it? Could just return null. Okay. I think that should be everything. No parser. Where's my compiler? Yeah. Before proceeding further, parse expression statements. Done. To allow constants add object. Also done. Okay. Let me finishing up some of the to-dos for compiler. I'm the only one who reads it, so it's fine. I can commit like a madman. Okay. That's everything I wanted to do today. It's a short stream. It's been a short stream. The last few days. Short streams. Yeah, it's because I've been a bit tired. Yeah. But I guess I have everything I need to now work on the compiler. Yeah. It's not a lot of time, but I guess I do believe in progress, not perfection. So it's a good enough excuse for today. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there. It was short and sweet. But I enjoyed that one. It was nice and easy. Something simple to do before I jump back to the compiler. Alright, hope you have a good day and enjoy the rest of it. And I shall see you maybe Tuesday or tomorrow, I'm not sure. Either ways, have a great day. I'll see you later.